So in this video we're gonna add a network printer on Windows 10. I have on my old PC I have attached a printer over the network Wi-Fi. I'm gonna find out that if I can find that printer on Windows 10, it's connected to the same network. Can I add it and then print? Let's see. I haven't done it before. I think it should show up in networks, and there it is. Oh yeah, automatic. So it picked up automatically over the network. I did not have to install any driver. I just click on my network and it showed up. Yeah, but make sure if you have seen my previous videos and you did not notice it, the printer here, make sure the printer is powered on. It gets its IP automatically from the router and then it shows up over here. It will be interesting to see if the printer shows up in the Windows server that we installed on the Hyper-V virtual machine. But can I actually? That is the printer. Okay, what's option are for nothing? Okay, maybe it's under for scanning. Let's print a document. Let's try that. So this is a great website. It's real life hands-on. Basically these 4 courses, they are invaluable. I am going through this course right now, and most of my videos, they kind of simulate whatever is in Active Directory, because those videos I don't see them in high definition, so I really have to glue myself to the screen to see what's going on. So as a practice, then I do it myself, make a video of it for the Active Directory and all that. If you have time, like this one is like 80 hours long videos, do take this information right here is invaluable. You will not find this information anywhere this easily. Basically you can find all the bits and pieces, but this guy is very, very, very knowledgeable, and I'm not paid. It's not a paid advertisement. I haven't even spoken to the guy. It's just that I appreciate his knowledge and his willingness to give it for free. All of them are free. If you take them and you have a basic knowledge of things, and you have the desire to learn, you can actually get your foot in the door without paying a dime. But there are more advanced courses that I've not gone through yet. For that they charge, but so far this is impressive. If you have the time, do take this. So right now I wanted to print something here that oh, that's weird. Over here, oh, it was login now. I thought it said log out there, but anyways, there is the normally it takes you right to the dashboard. Courses, continue. So understanding groups, this one. So I wanted to print this one. 11 minutes to read. So this is a Microsoft document. Is there an option to print automatically? And no, theme, all that. So no, I guess we are stuck with copy pasting it and then printing. So let's do it. Open a Word document. create a blank, all that. Let's see how many pages is it. Quite a few, 6. Print right there. OneNote, no, we want drop down and go to so very interestingly, our printer was showing up in the networks but not here, so we can add a printer. Click on printer and scanner. Oh, there is it. It showed up. We can add device. It's connecting. You see right here, it is connecting. Alright, there it is, almost done. I think it's downloading software driver. And it is ready. Does it automatically show up? Not here. Go back and try to relaunch the print, and now it's right there. So click on this one, ready, and let me go and check the printer. It's really in the back of the house. Let me see if it's working over there. Pending. Why is it pending? Maybe the printer is doing this thing where it's cleaning heads and all that. Let me go and see. I'm gonna pause the video here. So yes, the printer worked. It printed the pages. So that was easy. So that's it, guys. That's how you add a printer to your Windows 10. Thank you for watching and have a good day.